Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful star. Will be perfect as Christmas ornament, can be used as decoration for your Christmas gift or just as a decoration of your any needed or crochet project. For the pattern I'm using 4mm crochet hook and medium worsted weight yarn. So let's get started. Start with a magic ring and a slip knot. Now make one single crochet into the ring. Now chain 2, one double crochet, chain 2, and make a single crochet again. And that's what we are going to repeat for 4 more times. Chain 2, one double crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. That's what we have, and let's repeat again. Chain 2, one double crochet, chain 2, and one single crochet in magic ring. And let's repeat again. Chain 2, a little bit faster, one double crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. And for the last time, chain 2, one double crochet, chain 2, and last single crochet in magic ring. Now pull the tail to close ring, like a tiny flower, and now make a slip stitch into first single crochet, this one. Great. Round number 2, chain 1. Now make 2 single crochet in chain 2 space. 1, 2. Now make 1 half double crochet in double crochet of previous round. Now chain 2 and make 2 single crochet between half double crochet and single crochet. So 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Now 1 single crochet in next chain 2 space here, chain 1 and slip stitch here in single crochet. And we are done with the first start point. Let's repeat. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in next chain 2 space, 1, 2. Now half double crochet in next stitch in double crochet of previous round, chain 2, 2 single crochet between half double crochet and single crochet, 1, 2. Now single crochet in next chain 2 space, chain 1 and slip stitch in single crochet here in between. We are done with the second start point. Here you may always pull the tail and close the center, so I will do it at the very end. Let's do one more point a little bit faster. Chain 1 to single crochet in chain 2 space, 1 half double crochet in next stitch. Now chain 2 to single crochet between 2 previous stitches, now 1 single crochet in next chain 2 space, chain 1 and slip stitch. In this way go on crocheting start points till the end. So here I am. That's how the start is looking now. Slip stitch in first single crochet of previous round. Great, cut the yarn, bring the tail in back. So what about this tail? Just pull tight, take a yarn needle, and pull the tail underneath all stitches of first round. Great. A little bit more here. Pull tight and cut the yarn. Now we have one more tail. Thread the tail. So find the first single crochet of round number 2, pull the needle underneath and weave in end. That's it. Cut the yarn. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me today. If you're looking for the written instruction, please check my blog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Check more Christmas tutorials if you're looking something special on my blog and on my YouTube channel. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.